Hello friends, welcome to Royal Academy. So finally maths exam is over and today I have with me set 3 of your question paper and let us quickly solve MCQs of this question paper here. So first question of the question paper is the distance between the points a cos theta comma minus a sin theta and a sin theta comma a cos theta is. So basically they have asked for the distance between the 2 points given by point A and point B. So here let us identify these x and y coordinates. So this is x1, y1 and here it is x2 and y2. So we have the distance formula for 2 points AB, which is given by under the root. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here therefore substituting x1 y1 x x x1 y1 and x2 y2's values here. So x2 is a sin theta and x1 is a cos theta whole square, then plus y2 is a cos theta, y2 is a cos theta, then minus, so here you see y1 is minus, so it is minus of a sin theta, or if you want directly you can write plus a sin theta, its whole square. Fine. So here in each term you can see that there is presence of a and overall it is having square. So in the beginning itself let us take out that a square common out of these terms. So therefore here I can write a square and then I will take the whole square of this first term sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta whole square is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, similarly as we have taken a square outside, so here also it is cos theta, now minus of minus plus sin theta, so cos theta plus sin theta whole square, so it will be all the terms will be plus only, so therefore I can write with the plus sign. So it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta, or 2 sin theta into cos theta, it is same. Fine. Okay, so let me just complete that bracket. So now here you can see minus 2 sin theta into cos theta and plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So these two terms are going to cancel each other, and also at the same time this first term is the identity, so whose value is 1. So here also cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. So therefore here I can write under the square root, so a square 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, which is nothing but, so now a square can be taken as a outside the square root and what remains is 1 plus 1, which is nothing but root 2. So therefore option B is the correct option here. Okay, now let us see the second question. So in the given figure, tangent PA PB to the circle centered at O from point P are perpendicular to each other. If PA is 5 centimeter, then the length of AB is so here PA is one tangent, PB is one tangent for the circle centered at O, and they have given these two are perpendicular with each other. So here it is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. So and they have asked us to find the length AB. So now here you can see that the two tangent PA and PB are going to be equal because of the theorem of the circle. So here they have given that PA equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore PB will also be 5 centimeter. Now we have a right angle triangle with the two sides as 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So therefore we can obtain the that hypotenuse of that right angle triangle. So here if I want once again I can draw this. Okay, so here they have use the different color. So here they have given 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and we want to obtain this AB. So here it is PA and PB. So therefore that AB is equals to, using Pythagoras theorem, under the square root. So 5 square plus 5 square, which is 2 times 5 square. Okay, 2 times 5 square. So 5 square will come out of the root as 5, and what remains is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 is option number B. So that is the correct answer. Now let us go to the third question. So which term of the AP given here? So minus 29, minus 26, minus 23, so on up to 61 is 16. So they have given one AP starting first term as minus 29, second term as so on. Okay. So now we have to find for which term it is 16. So that is an they have given. So we have to obtain which term will be having that an value equal to 16. So let us first write these given values here. So they have given a1 equals to minus 29, a2 equals to minus 26, and Also they have given an equal to 16, and what are they asking is to find the nth term n. So now here first we need to find the common difference. So therefore d is nothing but a2 minus a1. A2 is minus 26 minus minus 29. A1 value is minus 29. So this minus of minus will be plus. So minus 26 plus 29 equals to plus 3. So d value is 3 and an value is 16. So we have that formula for an. So an is given by a1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so now substituting this corresponding values, so minus 29 plus n minus 1 will remain as it is. Now d equals to 3 and an is given 16. So taking minus 29 to the other side, so and I will write left hand side that n minus 1 into 3. Okay, so 16 plus 29 it will become, which is equals to 45. So therefore n minus 1 equals to 45 by 3, which is equals to 15. So therefore n equals to 15 plus 1 equal to 16. So nth term is here, n value is 16, it means it is the 16th term. So again here the option B is the correct option. Okay, now let us look at the fourth question. It says that a box contains cards numbered 6 to 55. A card is drawn at random from the box. The probability that the drawn card has a number which is a perfect square. So it is perfect square and card numbers are from 6 to 55. Okay, so therefore we have to obtain the probability of the perfect square number drawn from that box containing card from 5 to. So here in the box we have the cards starting from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on 11 onwards up to 55. Okay, so if you count how many total cards are there, so here if you just count the total cards, so here 5, 6, these are nothing but up to here it is 5, and then remaining 11 to 55 is nothing but 45. So these 5, so together we have in total equals to 50 cards. Okay, so 50 is not there, sorry, I have written 5 also. It is 6 onwards. So 5 plus 45. So these 5 and remaining 11 to 55, it is going to be 45 cards. So therefore this is in total we have 50 cards. So now perfect square. So here if you check, so perfect squares, how many perfect squares do we get from 6 to 55? So if you check, first we will get 9. So here 9, after that we have 16, after that you will get, after that 25 and then 36, and then I think we will be having 49 only. Okay, so we have these 5. So perfect square cards are 5. So that means we have the p of, or p of e we want to obtain. So that count is nothing but 5. Okay, so here 5 divided by total number of cards are 50. So therefore 5 by 50 is nothing but 1 upon 10. So here directly write this as 1 by 10. So here the probability is 1 by 10. So that is option number C is the correct answer. Fine. Then fifth question is AB and CD are two chords of a circle intersecting at point P. Whose choose the correct statement from the following. So they have given the two chords which are forming two triangles here. I can clearly see there are two triangles. Okay, so now what we have to check, whether these triangles are similar or not. So they have given this condition. So now which triangles will be similar? So obviously these will be similar because these angles are equal, these angles are equal, as well as these angles are all equal. So therefore these two triangles are similar. Now we have to check in which order they are. So ADP, ADP. So ADP, the correct order would be, if I am taking A here, then I have to take C, then B. So D here. So therefore I have to go to B. So CBP. My order should be CBP. So ADP, ADP similar, C B P, CBP. Okay, so ADP, CBA, ADP, BPC, ADP, BCP, ADP, CBP. So ADP, CBP, that is option number 4 will be the correct option. Fine, let us move to the sixth question. Two dice are rolled together. The probability of getting the sum of the two numbers to be more than 10 is. So here we should get sum more than 10. So the possibilities of the combinations when we roll two dice are we can get either 5 and 6 or 6 and 5. Then another one will be 6 and 6. So these are the three possibilities of the occurrence of that event. So therefore now how many total events will be there? So total number of outcomes will be 36. When we roll two dices, so we will get total 36. So therefore, probability of occurrence of that event will be 1, 2, 3. This is nothing but 3 here. So 3 over 36, which is nothing but 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is the correct option. That is option number D. Okay. Then moving on to the seventh question. After an examination, a teacher wants to know the marks obtained by maximum number of the students in her class. She requires to calculate dash dash of marks. So here when we want to obtain the maximum number of, here you see maximum number of the students. So that is scoring the marks. Okay, so maximum number of scoring, what number of marks. So here repetition of the particular number has to occur more times. So that we have to obtain. So for that it is mode. Okay, because median mean will be nothing but what does mean give? Mean gives the average value. Okay, so it just gives the average value. Then median gives the mid value. Median will give the mid value of the range. Okay, mid value of the range. Now mode will give the here highest frequency. Mode will give us the highest frequency, highest repetition of a particular data. Okay, so which is here in this case maximum marks. So therefore the correct option would be to use mode. Fine. Okay, so moving on to the eighth question. The roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 are irrational, rational, not real. So here basically we need to check the condition for the discriminant. Based on that we will be able to select the correct option. So discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. So b is nothing but minus 5 here. So minus 5 square, then minus 4 times a is 4 and c is also 4. So if you simplify this, you will get 25 here, and minus 4 into 4, 16 for the 64. So which is I think coming to be minus 39, which is less than 0. So no real roots. No real roots. So check which option is the correct one. So this is option number C, not real. Fine. Okay. So the common difference of an AP in which A20 minus A15 equal to 20 is very simple question again. So they have given A20 minus A15 equal to 20. So we have to find D. Okay, so we have to find here common difference means D here. So let us substitute these corresponding expressions of A20 and A15. So A20 is nothing but A plus so here 20, so directly I will use that 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. So a plus 19d minus, so here a plus 14, 15 minus 1 is 14d equals to 20. So here a plus 19d, so we'll take this minus sign inside, so it is minus a, so plus minus again minus 14d equal to 20. So here plus a minus a will get cancelled, 19d it is. So 19d minus 14d is 5d, 5d equal to 20. So therefore d equal to 20 by 5, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the correct answer. So common difference is option number A, 4. Fine. So if value of each observation in data is increased by 2, then median of the new data is. So it is a very simple question. So if the value of each data is increased by 2, then obviously the middle value will also be increased by 2, or if you take the average, so that average value will also be increased by the same value. So therefore, so here median also increases by 2. Median also increases by 2. So therefore that is the correct option. Check where it is, increases by 2. So option number A. Fine, very simple question. Then the perimeter of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 56 centimeter and 48 centimeter respectively. Then find PQ upon AB is equal to. So they have given there are two similar triangles, and we have to find the ratio of the two sides. So let us these two triangles. So here ABC, and another triangle is PQR. Okay, so now what they have given is the perimeter. So here perimeter is given as first perimeter is for ABC, which is 56, and second perimeter here is given as 48. Okay, so now what they are asking is PQ by AB, PQ by AB. So therefore, so we know that for two similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides would be also equal to the ratio of the perimeter. So perimeter of ABC, sorry, here the order we have to use the same. So first PQ means we have to use in the order PQR, PQR divided by perimeter of ABC. So here perimeter of PQR is 48 and perimeter of ABC is 56. So here if you check, so 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56. So 6 by 7 must be there. So here it is option number B, 6 by 7. Okay. So now if alpha and beta are two zeros such that alpha greater than beta, then polynomial minus x square plus 8x plus 9. Then alpha minus beta. So we have to find value of this alpha minus beta equal to what? So for that we have to find two zeros of the given polynomial. So let us first write the polynomial here. So given polynomial is minus x square plus 8x plus 9. So find 0. So we are going to equate it to 0. So I'll change the sign. So it will be minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. So factorizing this 9. So we'll get the two factors. So one is 9 ones are only we will get. So 9 and 1. So we want this has to be minus larger number. So this will be plus 1. Okay. So therefore here x square minus 9x plus x. Okay, and minus 9 equal to 0. So taking x common in the first two terms, so we'll get x minus 9. Then here taking plus 1 common, so we'll get just x minus 9 equal to 0. So now taking x minus 9 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So from this we will get x equal to 9. Okay, and x equal to minus 1. So which one of them will be alpha and which one of them will be beta? So they have given alpha must be greater than beta. So obviously 9 value whatever we have got. So this is going to be alpha value. Sorry. So this is going to be alpha and this is going to be beta. So we have to find alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta is 9 minus 9 minus minus of, so this will be minus 1. Beta is minus 1. So therefore this is going to be 10. So check which is the correct option here. So option number B. So many of the questions seem to have option B as the correct option. Okay. So let us check the 13th question. So the value of k for which the system of equations 3x minus y plus 8 equal to 0 and 6x minus ky plus 16 equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. So this is based on a pair of linear equations. Very simple question because they have directly given the two equations. We have to just compare the ratios because we know that. So for infinitely many solutions, the ratios of the corresponding coefficients a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So here you just need to identify a1, a2, b1, b2. So here 3 is a1, so minus 1 is b1 and this is c1. So here 6 is a2, this is minus k is b2 and 16 is c2. So just substitute this. So here a1 is 3. Okay, so I'll just write here. So 3 by 6 equal to minus 1. B1 is minus 1 and B2 is minus k equal to C1 by C2 is 8 by 16. So 8 by 16, 3 by 6 both are 1 by 2 only. So therefore minus 1 upon minus k equal to 1 by 2, minus minus sign will get cancelled. So from here we will get k equal to 2. So k equal to 2, again option number B. Okay, so again it is option B correct. So here next question, 14th question is, if sin theta equal to cos theta, range is given for theta, then value of sec theta into sin theta is. So they have given if sin theta equal to cos theta. So very simple question, because we know that when sin theta equal to cos theta, so if sin theta equal to cos theta, which is nothing but 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, so it means that theta equals to 45 degrees. Okay, so then only it will be equal. So now what we have to obtain is sec theta into sin theta. So sec theta into sin theta. So for sec theta, I can write 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Then substituting the values of theta here. So 1 upon cos 45 into sin 45. Okay. So therefore simplifying this, so we will get 1 upon 1 by root 2 into, here sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are going to cancel each other. So what we get is finally 1. So 1 is option number C. Fine. Okay. So 15th question. Point P divides the line segment joining the points A 4 comma minus 5, B 1 comma 2 in the ratio 5 is to 2. Coordinates of point P are. So here they have given the line segment. So therefore I'll just try to draw that and then we'll try to solve this for our convenience. So here they have given points of point coordinates of point A 4 comma minus 5 and coordinates of point B are 1 comma 2, and the line is divided into ratio of 5 is to 2. So here I will take this as m1 and this as m2. Fine. So we have to obtain the coordinates of the point. So the coordinates of the point are given by, so that is x comma y equal to, so m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So if you are using m and n, then also it is, you can use it in the same way. So now substituting the corresponding values of this m1, x2, etc. So here x1, x2, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Fine. So now use this. So m1 is 5 into x2 is 1, then plus m2 is 2, m2 is 2, then x1 is 4, then m1 plus m2 is 7, so that will remain 7. So m1 is 5 and y2 is 2, then plus m2 is 2, then m1 is minus 5 divided by 7. Okay, so here 5 into 2, so this is 5 plus 8, 13 upon 7, and here 5, 10 and minus 10, so that is going to be 0. So 13 by 7 comma 0. So 13 by 7 comma 0 is option number C. Fine. So 16th question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is shown. DE is parallel to BC if AD equal to 5 and DB equal to 2.5 centimeter and BC equals to 12 centimeter, then find the DE is equal to. So by using BPT theorem, very easily we can find this value, whatever they are asking. So we know that according to BPT, so that AD upon AB will be equal to DE upon DE upon BC. So AD they have given 5 and and AB is nothing but sum of these two values, 5 plus 2.5, 5 plus 2.5, which is 7.5 or 15 by 2. So DE is to be calculated, so it is unknown, so BC is 12. Fine. So now 5 upon 7.5, so 5, write it, So 5 divided by 15 by 2 I will write equal to dE by 12. So now dE we will keep here only, and this 12 will go to the other side. So it is 12 into 5 into 2 by 15 into 2 by 15. 12 into 2 by 15. Okay. So here this will become 60 total. So 12 into, so 60, 15 ones are 15 fours are. So you'll get 4 into 2, which is 8. So length of DE is 8 centimeter. So option C is the correct option. So either B or C. Okay. The next question is HCF of the two numbers 25, 20, 6600 equal to 40. LCM of the same numbers is 252 into K. Then value of K is very simple question, because it is based on the, for two numbers A and B, we know that for two numbers A and B, we know that LCM into HCF equal to A into B. So they have given LCM, HCF, so we have to just use them. So what is the LCM? It is LCM is 252 into K, HCF is 40. 252 K into 40 equal to A is 25, 20. These are the two numbers. So into 6600. So K equals to 25, 20 upon 252, and here 6600 upon 40. Okay. So from here we'll get, this will be 10 times. So we'll get here 10, and here it is 40. So our 0 I will cancel with this 0. So 6600 by 4. So 4 ones are, so remaining 2. So 4 sixes are, remains 2. 4 fives are, then 0. Okay, 1650. So K equal to 1650. 1650 is the correct answer. Check option. So it is option number A. Fine. Okay, so 18th question. In the given figure, AT is tangent to a circle centered at O. If CAT equal to 40 degree, then angle CBA is equal to. So this is one of the most repeated questions. So, and also very simple. So you can just identify the required angle. So here the angle is total 90 degrees. So therefore this is 40. So therefore the remaining here will be 50 degrees. And also we know that here angle will be 90 degrees. So if here these two angles are 50 and 90. So now remaining angle, that whatever they have asked, CBA. So angle CBA plus 50 plus 90 equal to 180. So therefore angle CBA will be equal to 180 minus, so this is 140. So that will be equal to 40 degrees. So 40 degrees is option number D. Fine. Okay, so now last two questions are on the assertion and reasoning type, which are very simple questions again, and luckily only two questions are asked, so therefore very easy questions also. So this time you could have scored 20 marks very easily in this total 1 to 20 questions. So now let us try to solve this. So assertion: if sin A equal to 1 by 3, then the value of cos A is 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. So which is a correct statement? So here sin A is given as 1 by 3. So therefore it would be equal to 2 root 2 by 3. So now second reason what they have given is, for every angle theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from here we can check that cos theta or cos A, whatever it is, cos theta is nothing but, so from this identity we can write 1 minus sin square theta by taking sin square to the other side and removing the square from left hand side by taking the square root. So this would be the value. So now here, so theta or a, both are same only. So 1 minus, so now sine square theta, so 1 by 3 its square. So simplifying this, you will get under the root 1. So this 3 square will be 9. So this would be 9 minus 1 whole divided by 9, which is under the root 8 by 9. Under the root 8 by 9. So this is nothing but 2 root 2 in the numerator, and denominator is 9, so which is a perfect square, so it will become 3. So here you can see that the reason is also the correct explanation of the assertion. So therefore here option A would be the correct option. So option A would be the correct, because reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, fine. Then second question is assertion: two cubes each of edge 10 centimeter are joined together. So 10 centimeter side cubes are joined together. So let us try to draw the diagram to have that clarity. Okay, so here, so two cubes of the sides are joined together. One second. So therefore here the length would become double. Length of the two cubes would become double here. Fine. So 10 and 10, which is 20, but height will remain same, and also this breadth will remain same. So this is breadth, this is height, so this is the length. So length is 20 here. So we know that the now we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area of this cube is given by TSA equal to 2 times LB BH into LH, plus LH. Fine. So substituting this, 2 times LB is 20 into 10, then B is 10, H is 10, then L is 20, H is 10. So this is 2 times 200 plus 100 plus 200. It is equals to 2 into 500, which is equals to 1000 centimeter square. Now check what is the value they have given. They have given 12. So therefore assertion is wrong, and reason obviously would be correct. Then check 10 centimeter cube uh, area of each surface. So one surface here for 10 centimeter cube if you take, so this is going to be 10 into 10, which is 100 centimeter square. So which is the correct. So this is correct, and the assertion is wrong. So I think option D. So that would be for option D. Okay, so option D is the correct option here. Okay, so this is what the entire solution of the MCQs and the assertion and reason questions. I hope you got the clear cut idea how you should have solved the questions. Okay, so thank you for watching.